Turns witness would like to go on Thursday morning, the 16th.
Robert Slacks.
Now, between these two witnesses,
Video cameras are not allowed to record.
about 2.5 hours of testimony. So conceivably, that wouldn't be a problem, depending on the rest of the shuttle releases.
I'm just going to set it up. The judge doesn't want to put cameras in the board. The camera in there. You'll have to, you can put it back in your bag. Leave your bag here, but you can't have it on a tripod. Why not? This is a courtroom. The judges don't want it.
Go back on the record. I'll raise this issue and I'll...
There's a lot of people that want to see this back home. I understand that, but this is a courtroom.
It's not, it's administrative. It's not a regular judicial court.
This is a courtroom.
It's not allowed if the judge doesn't want it. She's not allowed.
Shh. Cover your camera and put it
Are there
away.
any other scheduling?
Did she actually rule that today?
Yes, she ruled it last week.
I thought they were going to have some comments on it.
Well, if you want to hear the comments, you can, but you have to cover your camera, put it down.
Right, I'm not going to give you a ruling on that this morning. We're going to take that as a decision.
Okay.
Do you want me to bring this up to the judge?
Well, either that, I guess you could call the police and get me arrested.
Well, if that's what she wanted, I can do that.
No.
So that's Turk and Wednesday, so possibly the afternoon of the 16th. We're going to listen to on Friday.
It's not bothering me.
So,
We have to take that down
Mr.
like he
Friedman,
has to.
Mr.
I'd set it
Friedman,
up.
be on the afternoon of the 16th. Is that work with that?
My understanding is that there's some cost for my witness, but not a lot, and so as long as we can get them up and down, that's really our basic request. And I'm checking with him now to see if
To cover your camera.
works for him.
Take it down. Video cameras are not allowed to record. Are you giving me a lawful order? I'm asking you.
Any other witness accommodations being sought?
Yeah, Rex, I need to see over here. How being the one he asked me to come over here, had asked
Who owns the camera back there? Who's responsible for the camera, and for you?
Do I have to identify myself?
Of course you do.
I'm with Citizens Oversight. And so we're here to cover this so the people at home in San Diego can see the meeting. And since it's 450 miles away, there's no webcast being provided. There's no recording that I know of that you guys are providing for them. I'd appreciate it if we could allow this unobtrusive camera back here. It's not going to cause any trouble whatsoever. It's just going to record the proceeding for their educational purposes.
Well, unfortunately, we have made a ruling in this case. This is a matter of judicial discretion at this agency. A rather lengthy explanation of that ruling was sent out just a minute, Ms. George.
Your Honor,
No.
I would move that this be transcribed. I think this is a formal part of the hearing. You said that there would be oral arguments on videotaping, and I would like to start that
All right.
at 10
Okay.
with the transcript.
All right, first of all, the outstanding ruling in this hearing room right now is there is no recording, so please take the camera down.
Okay, I'd like to make a motion that we change that.
You're not a party.
I am.
You don't have standing to make a motion. Ms. George has made a motion. When we go on, we will take an oral argument. But right now, the
Excuse me,
camera goes off.
I am a party, and I'd like to make a motion that this be allowed.
All right, please, let's wait until 10 o'clock when we're formally starting the hearing and the court reporter is transcribing what's going on.
First of all, the camera goes down, or we don't start. That's it. There's a ruling that is active here in this courtroom, in this hearing room. There are
Can I
reasons
ask
for
you
it. There
the-
are multiple, excuse me, there are multiple reasons why a last-minute order to broadcast or videotape quasi-judicial proceedings is inappropriate. It violates the due process of all the participants, and we've had experience in this proceeding with incredibly disruptive behavior. Balancing, excuse me.
I
you
did
do-
make a motion
Miss
that we
George,
start. We haven't started yet.
Miss
This is
George,
not a formal part
this
of
is
the
not a
hearing.
formal part of the
That's
hearing.
right.
I'm addressing a
No,
participant.
you told us that there would be an opportunity for oral arguments. You are
Miss
responding
George,
to an oral argument.
I need you to
at
stop
this point.
now because we are not on the record. You will get your opportunity.
That's right, we're not on the
Mr.
record, and I don't think that that there is anything that should be said between now and 10 o'clock about this issue, because that is when.
I
the
understand your
argument will
point, and I am explaining that we have a ruling, and the rulings in this proceeding are going to stand until there are different rulings. And right now, the ruling is there is no videotaping because it abrogates the rights of the other participants.
Do you want to repeat all of that for
Of
the
course.
record?
Of course, it's already in the record to say issued a ruling, but right now, the video will go down.
Okay, have you started the meeting yet?
No.
Okay, well then, it's not part of your meeting.
I can't tell from here what's going and what's not going, so you'll take the camera outside
It's
the
running.
hearing.
It's running the whole time to document this.
You will take the camera outside the hearing room, please.
And so has the meeting started? Because if the meeting
Meeting's
has...
about to start. I do not want a camera in this hearing room because we have ruled that it is disruptive and violates the due process rights of other individuals in this proceeding. There was an untimely request. There is a balancing of public interests, and the camera will go out of the courtroom.
How about if I just make one last request, that we leave it there unless it's disruptive, and then you can say, hey.
I can't tell what's running and what's not, and frankly, I'm not going to spend my time trying to figure out what's being a violation of a ruling in this proceeding. We need to get down to business and not be distracted. So I'd like that camera taken down and removed from the hearing room.